Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to depixelate image in Photoshop. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Photoshop and import your photo. Then duplicate this layer. Now go to the filter and go for this other and select this high pass. Now here you have to change the value this 7.2 and click on OK. Now select this again, go to this drop down and go for this linear light. Again select this and copy this layer and make a second copy. Repeat this process and make the total 4 copies. Select all of them and then simply tap on this merge layers. Now again tap on this drop down and now select this linear light again. Now if you see the difference, there is a lot of difference in this and this original picture. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to depixelate image in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.